Bug Wars Part 3. Caterpillar drags into the grass by Ant-Man. Ant-Man leaving him on the edge of the... leaves him on the edge of the... What the hell? What's he doing? Little booger.
Now I squeeze.
I wonder if Caterpillar will ever attack. Caterpillar has gone into cocoon mode. Little does Ant-Man know that when Caterpillar comes into his home, he will go into cocoon mode and come out as Butterfly!
You're enjoying.